Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to see reposts on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. You have to click on the profile. This type of screen will appear. Now, to see reposts on TikTok, you have to see your posted videos here. Now you can see which videos are being reposted and you have to click on that video and view that video. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.